After struggling with dry scalp for some time, I decided to create my own treatment using ingredients I already had at home. This is my golden scalp cream. The recipe is very straightforward. 6 ounces of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon of sage, a few drops of olive oil, and 1 ounce of aloe combined with vitamin E lotion. I blend everything together in a NutraBullet until it's smooth. I applied it last night. The results on my scalp have been excellent. It delivers deep moisture without any irritation. The only downside is that it can leave the hair looking a bit compacted and messy for a couple of days, which is exactly why I'm wearing this turban today. What makes this especially worthwhile is the cost. Making this full batch at home costs just a few dollars, depending on the ingredients you already have. By comparison, similar commercial scalp creams and treatments often sell for $15 to $48 or more for a much smaller amount. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to moisturize and care for your scalp, this is one I've personally tested and recommend trying.